welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be doing a video that's just based off of my favorites and fails from February. I don't know when I'm going to put this up, but I did want to share with you some favorites that I had loved in the month of February, and then I have one fail. I do have some stuff that is not beauty related, so maybe I'm going to leave that for last. Alright, so how I like to start off these videos is I like to put my fails first, because I don't know, like, I love watching these videos, and no shade to anybody who does it differently. However, I feel like I'm left on such like a down note when people leave their fails for last. Like, I want to be left on a good note, so I like putting my fails first. So this is the fail for this month. This is the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer, and it is supposed to be waterproof. It actually glides on very creamy, and it is a little bit on the thick side. However, it's got a medium coverage, and the reason why it's the fail for me for the month of February is because, I mean, I've been on the hunt for a new concealer. I do have dry under eyes, so I'm trying to find something that is medium to full coverage. However, I don't want it to be too thick or too drying, because I do crease a little here, and because I have dry under eyes, I don't want it to look cakey. So this, like, throughout the day, I just feel like it ends up not wearing well. By the end of the day, it looks cakey, it looks a little bit patchy, and I also feel like this is just, like, obviously preference, like the color is not right for me. So I would just, you know, if you do like this, you know, get your color. But for me, I just don't like the way that it wears. So that's the reason why it's a fail. Alright, so let's head into my favorites. So I'm going to start off with these two items because I actually did a video not too long ago about a brush pack that I got from, I think I'm saying this correctly, Lamora. And it was like a pro blending set. It came with a couple of brushes, but this one has really been my favorite. So this is the Soft Blender brush number 113, and it's just a big blending fluffy brush, and I love this brush because I have typically bigger eyes than a lot of other people typically do, and the original blender brush that I was using was good, but I always felt like I had to do a lot of work. So when I found this brush, I thought it was actually going to be too big. Like, it almost looks like, where's the brush that I have for highlighting? I normally use a brush from Morphe to do my highlighter. Oh, here it is right here. I usually use this one from Morphe. This is their M501. And this is the two brushes in comparison. So these two brushes are really not that far apart in size. One of them is a lot more fluffier. I mean, the Morphe brush has been through some damage. I've had it for a little while now, so it is a lot more fluffier. However, in size, it's kind of close. So when I saw it, I didn't think that I was going to like it for eyeshadow because I thought it was going to be too big. But because of my eye size, this is the perfect blending brush to actually get all over the crease really quickly. So I've really been loving this. It makes the eyeshadow application so much easier for me. So this is really good. I'm going to link that video down below in case you guys would like to see it and try out the Pro Set. It's like literally less than $20 for 4 of the brushes that come in the pack, and they're amazing. They don't shed. I haven't had any problems with them yet. So the other thing from that video that I had was this right here. This was the Too Faced Size Cream Mascara. And the reason why I have this in my video is because I actually hated it when I first tried it out. But the more I used it, the more I started to see that the formula of this is actually really, really good. I do have some mascaras that the wands are really great for separating your lashes, and I still use them. However, throughout the day, I find that the mascaras flake, and then you get all the little black dots under your eyes. So with a mascara like this, I can put this over top, and not only does it help to, like, give me volume, but the formula of it keeps the first mascara from flaking. So I really like this, and I have been using it. And because the wand is so large, I was really intimidated at first, and I didn't know how to use it, but now that I've been using it since I filmed that last video, I'm a pro. Like, it's a lot easier for me to just go in there. Top lashes, they're not a big deal. The bottom lashes, instead of me, normally I would just take the wand and go straight down. For this, since it is bigger, the tip of this brush is actually a little bit smaller. So all I do is I just turn the brush like this and I'll just go straight down. And then that way, the larger bristles, they're nowhere near my face. So that's how I use this, and I actually do like it. So that's why it is in my favorites, because surprisingly, I have been using it. Another favorite of mine that I've been loving, it was actually a gift from a parent at my school. So this is from Lancome. This is a gloss, and it's called In Love. I believe that's the color. Gloss In Love. And I love this gloss. There is a small button on the gloss right here at the top, and if you press it, it pops open, and then you can take the wand out. You can actually take it out without pressing the button. I just think it's pretty cool. But yeah, you just press the button, you take it out, and the gloss is so pretty. It's sheer, it's not a full coverage type of gloss, but it's like a peachy nude color, and it's got a little bit of, I want to say glitter, but you don't feel it. Like, if you look at the bottle, there are small glitter particles in it. It is a very light pigmentation, so you can really mix this with any type of lipstick, any color, or you could just actually put it on your lips without anything and it'll give you a little something something. But I love that it's a smooth gloss, because that's the best. I hate it when like it's all sticking together, and I just can't stand that. Alright, so alright, on to the next. I have 3 more kind of like beauty related products. So this one right here, I'm really excited to talk about. I finally got my hands on the E.L.F, and they did a collaboration with Heart Defender, and I really, really love this. This is her Coffee and Cream Highlighting Duo right here. I absolutely love this. E.L.F is a more affordable brand, but I've never seen packaging this nice, in my opinion. This is like some of my favorite packaging that they've ever done. I love that it has a little heart on it, and I just think it's so cute. The presentation is really, really cute. It is a little bit light, but it's not extremely light. It does feel good in your hand, and I love that it just feels good. I don't know, and it looks amazing. I love the fact that it has a mirror inside of it, and it's a decent sized mirror. Like, if I was traveling, I would definitely bring this with me, and you can use this to do your makeup. It's small, but it gets my whole face, so I really like it. So now, product wise, I love this highlighting duo. I'll do some swatches for you guys. One side is coffee and the other side is cream, so I'll put them here. They are buildable, which I really, really like. But I love how there's a tone in here for everyone, and there's only 2 shades, which is awesome. The one thing that I do love is that you can also mix them. So here's the shade, the lightest shade, the bronze shade, and then them mixed together. So there's something in here for everyone. I don't find them to be too chalky. They do wear well throughout the day. The only thing that's kind of weird, and I don't hate it, but I wasn't expecting it, is that the lightest shade in here, I was expecting it to be more of like on the lighter, like a pale gold, but it's actually almost like a pale pink color. And I do like those kinds of colors, but when I put it on my cheeks, I do have it today, it almost pulls purple on me. I don't know why. I don't think it looks bad, but I just wasn't expecting that. But I do love this highlighter. I know it's not going to be around forever. I'm pretty sure they're still selling it, but it's like $8, and it's look at the pan size. That's big. Like, it's going to take you a while to go through this. So I love this highlighter. I've been using it like every single day. Another thing that I've been loving is I've been trying to find a moisturizer that I can use that was more gel based and it wasn't so heavy on my skin. And I came across this. This is not a new product. This is an old product, but this is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. And this is a gel moisturizer. Tarte does always have cute packaging, but You can see I've been using it quite a lot. It's almost empty, but it is just a light gel. The smell of it is not the best, I'm gonna be honest. It smells like something that I've smelled before. Ugh, I just got it on my lips. I don't know, it's not a very pungent smell. It's just kind of like a light, weird smell, but it does dissipate after you put it on. But I do love it because when you put it on, it's cooling, and not in a way that it's gonna make your face feel like tingly or anything like that, but it's cooling because it's a gel. So when you put it on your face, it is cool at first, and when you moisturize it in, it just absorbs into your face like that, and it doesn't leave your skin. I've tried moisturizers where they were gel based. I put them on and they did absorb quickly, but then a couple seconds later I felt like I didn't put anything on my face. This I put on my face, and yes, it absorbs quickly. However, I still feel like my skin is hydrated, and I love that. I even put it around my eyes, and it does wonders. I think it's awesome. So I use this in the morning and at night before I go to sleep, and I've really been loving this. Last beauty related favorite is actually a perfume. This is the Vera Wang Embrace in Marigold and Gardenia. I will list the notes of this somewhere probably over here, but I really have been loving the way that this smells. I like all types of perfumes, but my favorite ones are ones that are either like sweet or clean smelling, and this is like a nice mixture in between. It smells more clean than sweet, but it has a little bit of a floral. It's clean, yet it's a little bit sweet. I don't know, like it's just a really nice perfume, and it's not too strong. So I really, really like this. I got this as a gift for my bridal shower actually, which was at the end of October. So I've had this now for what? November, December, January, February, for 4 months. The bottle is quite down there, but I do love it so much. So that is the reason why it's in my favorites. Okay, so the last two things that I want to talk about are not beauty related, but I do love them oh so much. So this one right here was actually a gift from Kyle. I got this for Valentine's Day. This is a nightlight. It lights up. It actually has one string of lights in there now, but Kyle said when he purchased this off of Amazon. There was another string of lights, and he took them out because he thought they were broken when he tried to light it up. Yeah, so this is an awesome nightlight. It does light up white, and then if you switch it all the way to the other side, it switches on to like different colors. So it's kind of hard to see right now because of all the light, but at night, especially with 2 string of lights, it's probably even brighter than it is now, and I love it. This, I have it running on batteries. What does this take? Let me see. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and I leave it on all night long. Sometimes in the morning when I wake up, I do see that the lights are a little bit dimmer than when I first put it on at night, but it's because it's been running all night long. However, when you turn them off and then turn it back on the next night, it's just as bright again. So I do notice that, but I love it. It still works. It doesn't come off, like this glass piece doesn't come off, I guess, unless you twist it. And you can also, like if you don't have batteries, it does come with a charger, like a small USB port. So you can just plug it in and turn it on that way. So it's totally up to you, but this is such a cute little nightlight. I love Disney movies. This is like super romantic, and it reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. And I don't know, it's just like a cute little idea for a nightlight. So I love this. Thanks, babe. All right, my last favorite of the month has been these. I have an addiction problem. These are from the Kettle brand of potato chips. This is their crinkle cut potato chips in dill pickle. Guys, you don't understand. Let me just say this right now. If you don't like pickles, you're not gonna like this. But if you like pickles and you're into that, this is amazing. These taste like a sandwich in a chip. I'm obsessed with these. I tried a bag because Kyle picked it up from the store. We ran through that bag. When I went back to purchase another bag, they didn't have any more. So I went to another ShopRite, they didn't have any more. So I'm thinking, you know, oh my God, this is probably a limited edition item and I'm never gonna taste them ever again. So I even went as far as going on Amazon to purchase them. And I said, you know what, let me just try one more ShopRite before I let my addiction take me that far. I ended up finding it at a local ShopRite by my job. And when I saw them, I grabbed like 7 bags, put them in my cart, and now I'm down to my last bag. So I do have to go shopping again. But these are really, really good. Another thing that I really like about them is not only are they really flavorful, they have like ingredients that you can understand. And I like that the best about it. So this is a cool snack. Add this to your sandwich or just, you know, anything at all. You can even eat this with, like if you're not vegan, you can eat this with like tuna fish or like whatever. But I really, really love this and you guys have to try this. All right guys, that's it. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Okay. I think we are good. Camera's having trouble focusing, people. I just realized I didn't take a thumbnail for my last video. Sorry, this is the first time I'm filming with my living room windows open completely and it's almost the size of my whole wall. So it's kind of weird because people are going back and forth and they're looking inside like, what the hell is this girl doing? So now let's head into my favorites. I don't know why I keep doing this. Hi-ya! I have to fix my chair. Am I still recording? Please, Lord Jesus.